Medium is a great source of information about everything from artificial intelligence to marketing to lifestyle to politics to family and health, neuroscience even. But is it a peer-reviewed source of information? The answer is no, probably not. I wouldn't recommend you using Medium as a scholarly source or as any kind of scientific data for a research paper, or even as a journalist. I definitely wouldn't rely on Medium for your citations, for scholarly information that you really want to make sure is accurate and factual. Now, that doesn't mean that there's not a whole lot of great articles and information on Medium. I write on Medium all the time. I've been on it for a couple of years now, and I write about all kinds of different subjects. Even though many authors on Medium do cite sources, that still isn't as reliable as going to the actual original source to get your information for your essay, for your article, or for even your research paper. There is no formal process of peer review for Medium articles. Anybody can sign up for Medium and start writing and publishing on any topic without any credentials, without any expertise. It's really important when you're trying to get good information, especially peer-reviewed information, that you really go to more research sources like Google Scholar, like PubMed, and other types of research repositories. Some people also ask about these starred articles on Medium, and are they considered citable as research? And the answer, again, is no. These starred articles only mean that those articles are for paid Medium members only. So I wouldn't recommend that you use any kind of Medium articles as a peer-reviewed source. There is inconsistent editing at best on Medium. Some articles are beautifully polished and wonderfully researched, and others not so much. So it's really going to be a case-by-case basis. And again, I would recommend that you go to the original source of the research. Maybe use Medium as a middleman or middlewoman to find that original resource, because as you might know, as a researcher or as a student or as a journalist, when you research and Google almost anything, a Medium article is likely to come up in the search results because there are a lot of Medium articles out there. So you can use Medium to find some information and to find those original sources, but I wouldn't rely just on Medium for any kind of peer-reviewed source. I wouldn't consider it a scholarly journal at all, and I would be very careful to fact check everything that you find on Medium. And if you appreciate that advice, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be another video that comes up right now about Medium. Go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you in the next video.